Hey everybody, it's Jay here and welcome to my channel. In this video, we will dive into one of my clients in the chakras niche. And what I will try to do is I try to explain you the context of why she wanted to advertise and the restrictions that she had. And based on that, we created sort of a campaign strategy, and I will go in detail of that as well, plus the result that we were able to achieve for her. So when this client was a referral client, and we usually get more referral clients from our client base itself, so that's a good thing for us, and we're really proud of that. So when she came and we had an initial call, which I usually with all the clients, so she said, you know what, her restriction is the spending. And she cannot spend more than $600 to $700. So what are we talking about? We're talking about $15 a day. Plus, she wants to increase the order size and she wants to increase the rank of the book. And she has a consulting firm outside of Amazon, which this book is leading to. She wants more people to read the book and reach out to her for further consultation. So these are all the factors that we have to keep in mind, before we jumped into the advertising and create and how to create the advertising strategy which is best in this case. So as usual, we first try to understand how book is doing currently in terms of reviews, cover, title, and organic position. And we are really, we give a lot of focus on the organic ranking. And the reason is that if we put 100% pressure on the advertising, it's too much of a pressure for advertising. Now, in order for the advertising to take this pressure, there are two important components that should be there. First, you should be a brand. The book itself should be a authority in the subject on Amazon. Now we're talking about 1,500 reviews, 1,000 reviews, right? And it's like the first book that you see organically, or probably it's there in the first row organically, right? And it's already selling really well, and you want Amazon ads to double that up, you know and because it's selling really well, the conversion rate in ads also replicate the organic conversion, which means if I show this to I mean if I show our ads to people, it will take pretty less clicks to get convert, right? In that sense, we can be profitable, right? So that's, we need to understand whether that's the case or not. Usually authors don't fall in such a category. And then what we do, we try to see if it's possible to be profitable overall. I mean, in the sense, royalties in and advertising spend out, whether that's formula is profitable or not, right? And in this case, organic position plays a very important role, without which this formula will not happen, right? So so in this case, in this particular scenario, her book was on the first page when somebody types in key keywords like chakra books, chakras, best chakra books, and so on, right? So the organic rank was there. It has about 200 something reviews. Cover was very intuitive, and the title was pretty simple. So we were confident that, yes, we can sort of help her. Yeah. So I think she started somewhere, if I'm not wrong. She probably started somewhere here, right? As you can see, the spending was pretty low, and she didn't know how to increase the order size and stuff like that. And as you can see, the overall, the purple is sort of on the decline here, and the all the figures are higher side. And so far, we are able to manage the not just break even, we are managed to make it profitable overall, right? Because this book was not like that 1,000 reviews or 1,500 reviews category. So it would have been really tough to be profitable just with the ads. And then we try to now see if we can create a profitable scenario overall. And then plus she gets more orders so that people can reach out to her beyond Amazon. About 80 to 90% of our clients fall in this category, where they are treating their book as a lead magnet, and they want more people to read it so that they can reach out to them after they read it. So based on that, we have to create a sort of a balance scenario. We need to create a balance strategy to get the desired result. So in her case, we did not create heavy bid campaigns. Although I think maybe once in a while we do create, a sort of a hybrid campaign on the main keywords like chakra books, because the competition is not similar to what we see in real estate or sales. It's pretty good, decent competition. So we do that as well sometimes if we want to sort of explore the sales, especially festival season. But apart from that, we have tried to stick to our low campaign strategy, in the sense that we want to go broad. We want capture the low hanging fruits, right? And we target categories mainly, because chakras itself has a specific category. So if it's specific to the topic itself, it becomes easy for us to capture the sales within the categories. And but it's always low bid in her case. Right, and then we had keyword campaigns, we had auto campaigns, and we have product targeting campaigns, all low bid. When I say low bid, as I always says, it's like below 0.55. Now you see, based on your niche, what works, right? There are niches where 0.20 is also high, right? So based on your niche, what works? But in her case, it's about 0.45 to 47. So that's there, and as you can see, I think we were able to sell about 456 orders in maybe 6 months or 7 months, and ACOS is pretty decent at about 48%, and this gives her a bit of a profitable scenario, and more orders at the same time, right? So this strategy sort of aligns with what she wants. And as I always says, each author is different, each book is different, and we need to understand where that book fits into author's life, and what author wants to achieve from Amazon advertising, and whether that's possible or not. At the end of the day, every author wants Ferrari, but then whether you'll get Ferrari or Ford, it's up to Amazon to tell us, because it's a marketplace, right? And that's where we come into the picture and try to align it and see whether that's possible or not. I hope this video is helpful. If it is, please do subscribe to my channel so that you can get notification future videos. And if you're struck with your Amazon ads, especially in the non-fiction niche, do reach out. I have put my calendar link in the description, and you can block a convenient time, and we can quickly meet to see what can be done. Sometimes a small tweak can make the entire difference. Yeah, so please feel free to block the calendar, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, you take care. Bye bye.